Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. It is Monday, which means this is the What's New Monday, where I come out with all the dish on what I'm coming out with for my members and letting you guys know, in case you're interested in becoming a member, you know kind of what the weekly jam looks like. I release new things every single week, but we have thousands and thousands of other things already on the website for you to use for fun or commercially if you're a commercial rights user. Okay, with that, what is new this week? I am very excited for this week. We have an entire football bundle, an SVG bundle, and a cheer SVG bundle for you guys from SVG Cuttables. So many cute SVGs. I will just pop them up so you guys can see a few of them right here, but don't forget to check out the page if you want to see all of them because they are so cute. And again, thank you to SVG Cuttables for being one of our amazing partners that offers a new bundle every single month for you guys, or two like this month, and it's just amazing. So if you're not a member and you want to shop her SVGs, she's available on Etsy, but she offers some of her bundles to our members, so it's super exciting to have her as a partner. And then we have the Pixie Hollow bundle, and I know that we're obsessed with Peter Pan and Pixie Hollow and Tinkerbell and all those things over here. They're super universal for boys and girls, so I really love Peter Pan. But the Pixie Hollow bundle is so cute. We used it for a pirate ship once. I made this really cute Pixie Hollow sign with little arrows going everywhere. So cute. And then we have a unicorn clip art bundle, which I'm obsessed with, by our partner. And then of course we're smack dab in the middle of October, so you're gonna see an October video every single Wednesday, but I also have princess videos going up on Saturday. Mr. Crafty Pants is still taking over the channel every single Tuesday of October, and we have lots of fun new things. If you have not checked out the new products that I am carrying, I have a patterned HTV pack. It's called Mad Tay Party, and it is absolutely stunning. I was inspired by Alice in Wonderland with it. 3 patterns, a bunch of glitter, a bunch of regular HTV, so check that out. And of course, as a member, you get 20% off all of my products. We also launched the Monsters Inc. inspired colors of our bling with Boo, Kitty, Schmoopsy Poo, and Googly Bear, and they are all AB, which means they have a rosy, they have a rainbow coating on top of them, which means that they pick up lots of colors, so you can tie them into projects and it'll pull colors from whatever's in that project. They are stunning. But you're gonna see them featured on my Instagram in my stories because I made ears while we were in Disney World for all of them. So check out my stories or my highlights. If it's past, you will definitely want to check those out. And that is what is new this week. Thank you guys for being my members. Again, if you're not a member, go over to Untitled.com right now and sign up. It is so worth it. Our crafting community is amazing, drama-free, absolutely awesome. It is such a inspirational group, and if you're not in our Facebook groups, you can check those out, but we also have groups right on Untitled.com if you're not on Facebook or you just like to stick strictly to crafting or your business, so check those memberships out as well. All right, with that, I will see you guys next week, or live, or in my other videos on my channel. Bye!
Just another sunny day in Southern California.